Hello friends, Namaskar. I am your presenter and host Pritiman Sarkar. Today I am here with another episode of Sanatan Dharam. Hope you all have watched my previous episodes on Sanatan Dharam, and if you haven't, then please do watch them. I have posted the link on the previous episodes below in the description for your convenience. Now coming to today's topic, I will be discussing about the Hindu symbol swastik, its origin and significance. The word swastik, where do you find its origin? Its origin can be traced in Sanskrit language. It is derived from the roots su, meaning well or auspicious, and as, meaning being. Su asti yana tat swastika. Swastik is that symbol through which everything auspicious occurs. Scholars believe the word's origin in Vedas is known as Swasti mantra. Om Swastina Indro Vrudasharvaha Swastina Pushpa Vishpa Vedaha Swastina Starariksha Aristanimihi Swastino Bruhaspatir Dhatu. And in plain English, it means, O famed Indra, redeem us. O Pushpa, the beholder of knowledge, redeem us. Redeem us, O Garudaji, of limitless speed, and O Brahaspatiji, redeem us. Swastik's cosmic origin. The swastik represents the living creation in the whole cosmos. Hindu astrologers divide the ecliptic circle of the cosmos in 27 divisions known as nakshatras, asterisms. They are named after a prominent star or nakshatra asterism in the respective part of the zodiac. In a line from Dhruva, the stars known as Saptarishi can be observed. Saptarishi means 7 rishis, Saptarishi. In the present yoga of Vaivast Manu, the 7 rishis are Rishi Gautam, Rishi Bharadwaj, Rishi Vishwamitra, Rishi Kashyap, Rishi Jamadagni, Rishi Vashishta, and Rishi Atri. A smaller star lies next to Vashishta, which is Arundhati, his wife. These Saptarishis revolve or perform Pradakshina around Dhruva. By drawing a line connecting the cross and the Saptarishis, the swastik is formed. In this way, the whole cosmos is incorporated in the swastik. When the swastik is imprinted during a puja ritual, the underlying sentiment is reverence to all living creation in the whole cosmos, represented by the 7 rishis. Swastik and Hindu rituals. Being an auspicious symbol with such inherently profound sentiments, the swastika is therefore used during puja rites and rituals by Hindus. They imprint it using dry or wet kumkum on new articles, household items, vehicles, entrance of a new business premise or home, etc. The underlying sentiment is that let the article which is being offered for puja be redemptive, kalyankari in life, not only for mundane purposes, but also to aid one on the spiritual path towards moksha. This is in consonance with Sanatan Dharma's idea of attaining the 4 endeavors, purusharthas of life, which is dharma, artha, kama and moksha. The swastik symbolizes mangalya, auspiciousness, peace, harmony and success in all ventures embarked upon in life. Swastik is also a symbolic form of Om or Omkar. It is symbol of sacredness which wards off evil elements and heralds good fortune. Swastik is imprinted on the doorways of houses and ingrained in the flooring of mandirs as a symbolic form of auspiciousness. It also depicts Surya, the wheel of life, and 4 directions. And in India, swastik has eternal embodied the following sentiments. Kalyan, ultimate liberation. Swasti, auspicious. Kalyan ka doer, one that bestows Kalyan. Man quests to attain spiritual knowledge. Prayer on behalf of all jivas for moksha. Encompasses the whole cosmos. A symbol of Lakshmi, Devi of wealth. A symbol of Vishnu, 4 bars which represents 4 hands. And the Vishnu is the protector of 4 directions as mentioned in the Vishnu Purana. Symbol representing Sanatan Dharma and its sentiment of peace, moksha for all mankind. In India, the swastik continues to be the most widely used, auspicious symbol of Hindus, Jains and Buddhists. The Hindu and also Jains use swastik to mark the opening pages of the account books besides other objects. A clear distinction is made between the right hand swastik, which moves in a clockwise direction, and the left hand swastik, which moves in an anti-clockwise direction, which is also called swastika. The right hand swastik is considered a solar symbol and imitates in the rotation of its arm the course taken daily by sun, which is in the northern hemisphere, appears from the east, then south and then to west. The left hand swastik more often stands for night, the terrifying goddess Kali and magical practices. Swastik can be seen drawn in temples, house entrance, during festivals like Diwali, as it represents good luck and well-being. It is made in red color, as red color holds paramount importance in Indian culture as we use it in the form of vermilion, roli or kumkum. The red color symbolizes bravery and victory. Red color also symbolizes love, adventure, courage. Apart from religious significance, the red color is also considered right from a scientific point of view. The red color affects physical and mental level of a person. Even according to Vastu Shastra, there are 4 directions in swastik: east, west, north and south. Therefore, it is worshipped in every Hindu ritual and festival. Hindu beliefs also suggest these lines are symbolic of 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda Veda, Atharva Veda and Samaveda. Some also believe that these 4 lines show the 4 ends of Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. Apart from this, the 4 lines have been compared to the manuscript 4 ashrams, 4 people and 4 deities, that is Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh and Ganesha. The line that begins from the left represents the feminine energy Shakti, and the line that represents from the right represents the masculine energy Shiva or Shakta. The entire 4 symbol has 4 perfect size squares which merge to the center, and at the 4 perfect squares represent the harmony which arises from the center of swastik. With this, we come to the end of this episode on swastik, its origin and significance. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and get notification on more interesting upcoming episodes on Sanatan Dharma. Till we meet next time, Namaskar.